Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create a Google Chrome profile. You can make a default Chrome profile. First, you need to log in with that Google account which will make your default. If you change the default Chrome profile, then you have to remove all the Chrome profiles and then make a then sign in with the Google account which will make your default Chrome profile. You can add new Chrome files and add it with your Google account, your email and your password, and done. Enter your name, enter the password, and create a new Chrome profile. And it is your first profile, then it is a default profile. So yes, I am in. So you create a new Chrome profile. Customize Chrome profile. So this you need to go to your profile, select the profile. For this you want to customize your profile. So go to the Chrome profile settings. Go to settings. Customize your Chrome profile. Add a name. Pick a theme color. You can default. You can pick a default theme or whatever color you have. You can choose an header. You can also create a desktop shortcut. You can also add a new Chrome profile from here. And also customize your Chrome profile. Add a name, pick a theme color, and create a response shortcut. You can add an index from here. Choose a theme and done. You must create a name for your theme, and then you can create a new Chrome profile with the new person. You can also edit and delete the profile. Go to from other profile, click on more action. And you can edit it. Now you delete the profile. You delete or you can delete it and you can delete it. And other browsing history, password, bookmark, article data will be known. So it is very useful as a delete from file. So you can also choose text mode. Please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.